Hey there, today I'm gonna show you how to properly upload and tag your videos on your Amazon influencer page, aka your storefront. Okay, so I'm gonna jump right in here. Of course, you open your Amazon storefront, and basically there is two ways to upload the content. First, you can click this create content and then video, and this will bring you to this page. Or you can also click manage videos, and this will bring you to the same page. Then click upload video, and you see on the right side there is three things in here. Then there is tag products, which I'm gonna go to in a second, and then there is space for thumbnails. So first we click upload video. I have the video already prepared. This video right here, I reviewed this hand track right now. And once you click open, you will upload your review video. It takes only a few seconds, there, and it's already done. Obviously, make sure the video is relatively short, pretty much talks about the product and nothing else. I usually say the same title that the description of the actual product is on Amazon. So in this case, I'm gonna put aluminum hand track with 6-inch wheels, 220. Now you can also say review at the end, or my thoughts, or you can actually say something else to make it more personal. I usually stick just to the item. And this step is very important, and we have to do it on Amazon. We have to tag products. Keep in mind, if the video is about one product only, then basically write the tag only for the product. And you try to find the product by typing the same title. Then sometimes it will not show in the first position, so you have to make sure to look for it. Sometimes it's not easy to find. You have to try a couple of times. See, I just typed different way, and now I finally found it. And to make sure this is the same track that you bought, you can actually click this. And if it's newer item that you purchase, you can easily find it. It says last purchase on this date, so that verifies this is the same track. So basically this title ties this with this track and the video. And now you have thumbnail. You can make a custom thumbnail. I usually just take a frame from the video, and the reason I do that is because actually on Amazon it works pretty much the best, because the customers want to see that this is kind of first-hand review, so sometimes the really fancy thumbnails won't even work. And then click open, and there you go. And now this video is all done, and you just click submit. By the way, if you're talking about 2 or more products in the video, you can put more tags. However, it's always best to talk only about one product per video. That way Amazon will put it to actually more places on Amazon shelves for the product sales. So once everything is done, you click submit, and there you go. And it says video submitted. Your video will be processed and reviewed to determine if it meets community guidelines. Obviously, you have to follow all the guidelines. And it says this typically takes 2 business days. Now, one more thing though, if you never uploaded any video over here before, there is actually some application process. So you will have to upload first 3 videos. Then Amazon will obviously verify if they meet all the community guidelines and so forth. And once those videos are approved, then Amazon can show these 3 videos after the approval, and any other videos that you're gonna upload to this platform, basically in the product placement shelves. So see, right now it says processing. This usually takes like an hour or so, and then you will go to review process. The review process usually takes up to 1 day, and the video will be published next day, but to show it publicly usually takes 2 to 3 days. Obviously over here you have, views per video and stuff like that. This is the total views for last 30 days, so you can see how your videos are doing. See, some videos have low views, some videos little more, some even more than that, and some videos have a lot of views. So this is how you basically upload the videos, but if you want to earn the full strategy, how to make 20 to 50 times the income on this platform, make sure to click this video. This is exactly what I do, and I'm sharing how I increase the revenue every single month from this program. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, it helps me a lot, and I see you in the next video. Remember, stay motivated, make another video today. Thank you for watching. Bye.